Wala na? Wala nang questions? Okay, okay. Let's have a feedback on these sessions now. Christian, do you want to start? What did you learn today?
Grupo yung importance po ng offering different treatment options to patient to help them understand yung benefit, risk, and possible complications for each approach. Since as doctors, we would like to empower them to make informed decisions that would help them decide what's their preference po for the treatment and would also help build yung trust and shared decision making that would help the patient lead to better adherence and patient outcomes.
Okay, thank you. Andrea?
For me naman po, siguro yung main takeaway ko po is that yung diagnostic results po, we shouldn't rely on them like 100% of the time kasi nga possible po na nagkakamali rin po yung pag-interpret sa results. So we should also know how to interpret it on our own and always recheck po yung mga findings and compare the findings from the labs po to our physical exams po.
Okay, thank you. Camilla?
Siguro for me na lang po would be the emphasis of the importance of a complete history and PE po. Since for a patient, we had an unremarkable physical exam findings po. So it was important to correlate it with the history po. But more so to add na lang din po yung minention ni Andy na parang medyo mahirap din po manavigate yung case without the labs. So important to integrate everything well po.
Okay. When you say complete, yung mga relevantly complete. Okay. May mga complete na decahon, no? Okay, but not relevant, no? Okay. Focus driven history, no? Okay. And also UPE, no? Remember, we don't have to do a complete physical examination. You focus on the heart and the thyroid in this particular patients, no? Okay. Okay. David?
Siguro po for me, it's more on yung importance of providing advice to the patient, especially na made prevalent with like our case na parang ang dami niyang doktor na napuntahan. And like, I guess giving advice doesn't limit it to just giving advice on how the patient should be treated, but rather also throughout yung entire process ng pag-diagnose sa kanya, like the different diagnostics used to be able to reach yung impression natin, all are like important for the patient's benefit as well.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Deborah? Lisa?
For me naman po, siguro yung na-emphasize po yung importance of correlating the history as well as expected PE findings po once we do our physical examination to yung underlying physiology po para along the way we can give an appropriate advice po to the patient without being parang judgmental sa kanila to also maintain yung rapport po considering in this case po parang medyo hindi po nakaka-build ng rapport yung mga previous physicians na na-meet po ng patient during her encounters po.
Okay. Thank you, Alisa. Okay. Angelica?
I think for me naman po is yung importance po yung regarding the paraclinical diagnostic procedures because parang for the previous patient encounters, we're thinking na kailangan yung kung ano lang yung kailangan ng patient. But I think for this session po, mas na-concretize na kailangan siya in a sense na makakatulong po siya to give certainty dun sa diagnosis po natin kahit hindi 100%, hindi lang dahil siya po yung cheapest, but it's what's going to help us not just give the final diagnosis or at least the semi-final diagnosis to the patient, but also how we're going to manage po the patient para hindi ulit-ulit yung labs na ipapagawa sa kanya and hindi rin parang baliwala lang yung labs na ipapagawa po for the patient. Dapat may certain reason bakit po natin siya gagawin. And say for example po gagawin natin na parang pareho naman pong surgical procedure yung gagawin sa kanya pero ipapagawa pa rin natin just for the sake na malaman natin ano talaga yung diagnosis. Pero parang baliwala rin naman po yung ganong klaseng mentality.
Okay, thank you. So be selective but rationalize every move that you will make, no? Every decisions, no? Okay. Thank you. I'm glad that you have learned something from me. And then let's have a group picture taking before we adjourn. Okay? Okay. Can you take it on your part, Angelica, also? 1, 2.
Oh, one more po. 1, 2, 3. Okay po.
Okay, so that ends our session on the 11:15. So you can still have your lunch. Okay, so I hope we can see each other one day in PGH. No? Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you
Thank
po.
you po.
Thank you
Wonderful.
po.
Thank
Thank you po.